Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and today I'll show you how I replaced my ink cartridge on my printer. And today my daughter Madeline said to me,
"Dad, we need ink for the printer. I need it for homework."
And she was right. The ink on my HP Jett 3632 was low. So I picked up this HP number 63 XL for the ink black. So if you're new to my channel and you found my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest videos. When pulling out this orange tape, notice the arrows. Pull only towards the arrow. And do not touch this copper-colored electronic circuit strip. Also avoid touching the printhead area. And the first thing I do is turn the power on the printer. And the power light will blink. And wait until the power light becomes solid. This screen also shows us the black ink is low, and the color ink is just over half. So, at the side of the printer is a small handle. Just pull it towards you to open it. And inside is another handle on the center. Just pull it towards you to open it. And notice the ink cartridges will move to its designated spot. The left cartridge is the colored ink, and the right cartridge is the black ink. And the black ink is what's low. Also notice, if you leave the doors open for too long and you don't do anything, the cartridges move to the left-hand side at its home position. If this happens, just shut the door and open it up again. And notice the cartridge will move back to its designated position. Just press down on the cartridge and slowly pull it out. Now pull out the tape, being careful not to touch the print head and the circuit strip. Now line up your cartridge and slowly install the ink cartridge into the slot. And push it all the way in until you hear that click, and it's fully seated. Then close the door, and you're almost done. And then just wait. The printer will reboot and will print out a test page to see the colors. And that's it, you're all done. So if you find my video interesting and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.